Hey guys, whenever you try to download an Instagram stories that have a music to share it with other platform like Facebook or as a WhatsApp status, it's saved without music. Let me show you how. If you tap on this your story, you can see in this story there is a music. Now if I try to save this video, this story, tap on this three dot here and tap on this save video. Now tap on save. Now the status is saved on the camera roll. Now check the status here. You can see status is saved but there is no music. Due to the copyright on music, Instagram won't allow user to download the video along with music. Now there is a workaround to download your status with music. So in this video I am going to show you how you can download Instagram stories with music in your phone gallery. So first I am going to share a story on my Instagram profile, but I don't want to share it with public, so I am going to create a new Instagram profile without email or phone number. It will be quick. I can use the profile to save my stories in future also. So let's go to our profile here. Now tap here and tap on add account. Now tap on this create new account. Give any username you want. Tap next. Now save your password. Tap next. Now don't tap on add new phone number or email, just complete sign up. Skip. Now this is your new Instagram profile. Now if you share any story here, your friends will not see that. So tap on this and tap on here. Tap on add to your story. Create a story here. Add a music. Tap here, music, and select any music you want. Here there are tons of music. Now your story is shared. Now go to the Chrome browser. Type story saver Instagram. Tap on this first link. Now here enter your Instagram username. Now tap on download. Tap on I am not robot. Now from here you can download your story with music. Let me save this. Just tap on this three dot here and tap on download. Now your file is downloaded here. Tap on open. You can see your story is downloaded here with music. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please write in the comment section and make sure you give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and not just subscribe, ring the bell icon so you don't miss out any other video about tips, tricks and tutorial. So we will meet in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.